Hi my loves, in today's reading we will going to have love reading energy para sa mga inseparated or may long distance relationship. Let's see the energy first. And tayo sa situation. May love, merong admire. Forbidden love. Okay. Okay, my loves. I hear dito ha, merong something na, let's say, may involved dito ang iba. Okay, unlike doon sa last na reading natin, kasi dito, may forbidden love na lumitaw. Okay, and that is currently on the table. Ibig sabihin, currently na nangyayari and wind up. Okay, pag lumilitaw kasi ito ay currently sabihin nating negotiating, and the negotiating currently on the T, or sabihin nating nangyayari. So, di ba, ang wine is usually sumisimbolize yan sa bonding. And ditong love na to, my loves, I hear na merong something na sabihin nating involve doon sa relationship na tong dalawa, which is forbidden or hindi pinahihintulutan. So, kung kayong dalawa ay legal, maaaring ito ay sa other side. Or maaaring ikaw mismo, yung unforbidden, yung forbidden love. Or yung sabihin nating hindi tamang pagmamahal. Pero kasi nandito, my loves, yung love and sabihin natin that is currently on the table. Andun yung, pwede may loves na yung ikaw o yung person mo ay mayroong gustong tao na hindi pwede. Alam nyo yun? Nandun offer, nandun yung commitment. Pero hindi pwede. At nandun yung feelings, my love. So dito, unforbidden, sabihin natin forbidden love. Meron ditong parang unfinished business or unfinished love na lumitaw dito, my loves eh. Yes. Meron ditong unfinished love or sabihin natin forbidden love na kung saan currently on the table. Let's see more clarifier dito sa love na to. Freedom. So dito, nandito, kumbaga, abundance, wealth. Exploration. Parang, I hear dito, my loves, ito yung parang alam niyo yung mapaglaro yung energy dito. With the child energy, medyo nandun yung pag-discover. So, maaaring ang dahilan kung bakit sabihin natin na kung meron man, kung hindi man kayo nagko-communicate right now, meron dito kasing childish na energy na kung saan, alam nyo yun, yung hasty energy, ura-urada, yung parang hindi pinag-iisipan yung mga ginagawa, my loves. At naka-involve doon yung exploration. Alam nyo yung, pero my loves dito may lumitaw, kasi dito mo, look at the energy na parang napaka-bilis, napaka-fiery. Alam nyo yung, dito my loves, and the potential love. I hear na may energy dito na kung saan, yung parang, alam niyo yung kursanada, may parang makukursanadahan or gustong gawin, which is forbidden, na hindi tama. And that is the current energy, my loves, na kung saan may parang freedom, nakakaramdam ng parang alam mo yung, ang malaya ka. Look at the burst of the energy, malaya ka sa yung feelings, and very hastily, or sabihin natin andun yung hastily or hastily exploring, or sabihin natin listening doon sa kanilang nararamdaman. Alam nyo yung parang burst ng energy, ng love, or ng, sabihin natin, potential love offer. I hear na, kung sabihin natin, eto ha, kung cold sa'yo yung person mo sa pakikipag-communicate, maaaring meron siyang on the table na kung saan ay kausap. Look, meron pa rin, may kinakausap to on the table, my loves. And maaaring iyon ay, sabihin natin, tinatry dahil lumitaw yung potential love, tinatry ma-explore, my loves, because of this energy, the bursting energy, maaaring attraction, maaaring gusto, and this is, masasabi natin, my loves, na inililihim because forbidden. Not enough. Lacking confidence, self-sabotage, and ego. Frustration, my loves, pwedeng nafe-feel nyo yan, yung person mo or ikaw. Healing heart. Addiction, my loves, and abusive relationship, lumitaw. The snake, lumitaw na naman. The other woman, ito, my loves. So, ito yung pwedeng tinutukoy natin. Kung kulang sa communication or may nararamdaman ka na parang may something or cold sa'yo yung partner mo, ito, their current energy is nandun siya sa exploration na parang meron siyang gustong itry. Okay? Because of this energy. Because of the, sabihin natin, ego and frustrations energy. Seduction. So, my loves, nandito yung, sabihin natin, teasing or hooking up. But ito is, sabihin natin, yung addiction kasi lumilitaw yan, pag alam nyo yun, yung parang, kumbaga dito, parang sabihin natin, lumilitaw yan yung kumisan, yung teasing, yung try lang, alam nyo yun, yung hindi pa siya ganun ka decided. Kaya, alam nyo yun, out of this energy, bursting energy na parang ura-urada lang, ganun, try lang. And yung addiction, sabihin natin yung toxicity, nandito kasi may loves, you know. So, para bang nagmamadali na gawin agad yung mga bagay na yun. So, I hear na merong exploration na ginagawa or involved dito sa relationship na to, na sabihin nating look over your shoulder or merong other woman na involved. May snake na lumitaw, may loves. And that is the potential love and exploration na tinutukoy dito. So, maaaring ito ay makikita natin, pero sabihin natin out of bursting energy, yung parang nadadala na mga bagay-bagay because of the, sabihin nating, frustrations, because of the ego. Ito kasi parang yung nagmamadali, alam niyo yun, pwede ding naiinip, kaya nagmamadali. Yung mga ganong bagay. Kasi dito yung sa childish energy, hindi pinag-iisipan yung kanyang mga ginagawa. Kaya pala lumitaw dito yung lacking confidence. So, ito sa lacking confidence na to, kaya may loves, parang iyon ang alam nyo yun, yung panglapat niya sa kanya, as their ego, panglapat niya sa kanyang lacking of confidence, itong energy, yung bursting energy na to na magkaroon ng, sabihin natin, ito kasi may toxicity kasi dito eh. So, pwedeng doon nang gagaling itong exploration nito as a child na hindi niya pinag-iisipan. Overcommitment, disorganization, and inability to commit. So, they are struggling right now. They are struggling kasi ayan o. They are struggling right now. Hindi niya kayang i-balance ang mga bagay-bagay. Pero meron ditong delays na lumitaw, my loves. Delays and lack of planning, lumitaw my loves, setbacks, obstacles, and ayan, double confirmation ng frustrations, my loves. Pure positivity. So, lumitaw dito ang sun, which is the positive outcome and optimism. So, dito, my loves, yung energy dito is not enough. Kumbaga, meron talagang not enough na, sabihin natin, not enough love, kaya nangyayari yung mga bagay-bagay na to. Not enough energy for this love. And, wala, kumbaga nagkaroon ng delays. Pero dito, my loves, merong lumitaw na success. Kaya kung ano man yung end truth. Okay? Okay. So, kaya pala, ito yung energy. And ito. Struggling. Parehas struggling and sabihin natin, struggling to juggle. So, okay, wait lang. Let's see more. Let's see kung ano yung gusto nilang sabihin. Okay? Let's see kung ano ang gusto nilang sabihin sa inyo. Pero dito kasi yung child, alam niyo yung child kasi at this organization with the 2 of Pentacles, parang kasi hindi niya pinag-iisipan yung kanyang mga ginagawa. Okay, ayan nga, confirmation, do you even care? May care ka pa ba sa kanya? Kasi they are struggling. They are frustrated. Lots of frustrations. What do you want? Okay? What do you want, my loves? Will you choose me? So, at what do you want, my loves? Kung ikaw ay still care, meron ka pa rin care sa kanya, ano ang gusto mong mangyari sa inyong relationship? Pero meron kasi dito on the table na kung saan may exploration, my loves. So, meron dito, meron bang other woman? Meron bang in competition or enemy na involved? Kaya doon. Think before you act. You have to be patient. Think before you act. Our love will never cease to exist. Okay? So, kumbaga, nire-remind, kung may care pa rin pala, my loves, I hear na nandito maaaring itong energy, bursting energy, or nagmamadali. I wish you were mine. Kung nandun yung pagmamadali, hastily, kumbaga, yun ang kailangan yung i-avoid, my loves. Pero dito, yun nga, confirm na merong naging involved na, sabihin natin, enemy sa inyong relationship. And that is out of bursting energy or exploration. So, yun ba matatanggap pa ba yung reason na yun na kung may nagawa man siyang hindi tama, yun ay out of their, sabihin natin, ego, their, sabihin natin, out of their childish energy. And that's on the table. Yun ang issue. Yes, yun nga yun, the snake. Lumitaw yung snake, my loves. We both know I am not one for you. So, aminado siya na meron din talaga siya pagkakamali. Aminado siya na siya ay nakasakit. I know I was a distraction from your pain. And they still care. Okay? So, they can stop thinking about you. Kumbaga, right now, they are talaga struggling about this relationship. And yun nga, kagaya ng nabanggit ko, kung ano man yung nagawa nila, maaaring may loves na yun ay out of childish energy kasi lumitaw yung child. Diba? Lumitaw yung child. Potential love exploration. Kumbaga, ano yung ino-offer niya may love sa'yo right now? Kumbaga, meron kasi ditong offer. Meron ditong commitment na ino-offer. So, yun, isa yun. Pwede din na gusto, yun ang paparating, i-offeran ka ulit niya ng balikan or something na ganon na pwedeng mag-resolve. Pero, yun yung final energy dito, may loves, na kumbaga, potential love, nandun pa rin yung potential na magkaroon kasi nandito yung commitment and offering. Pero tingnan nga natin about this snake kasi lumitaw yung snake na naman dito. Lumitaw yung snake doon sa potential love. Competition. Okay. Stab in the back. Yes. Nandyan yung heartbreak, pain, separation talaga, my loves. Shocking attack. Engagement ring. So, nandun naman din, my loves, yung commitment and union. Nandun din yung completion, my loves. Tingnan natin sa future energy natin kasi baka nandun pa rin yung snake na yun. Okay, making healthy choices in love, in life, self-love. Okay, so sa ngayon mag-focus ka sa yung self-love, self-care, being happier. So eto my loves nag-cause sa'yo, nagkaroon na kayo ng ganyan or sabihin natin nagkasakitan na kayo, eto yung heartbreak or shocking attack about this union, kumbaga nasabotage siya. The future energy here is you have to make a healthy choices. Ano ba yung makakabuti para sa'yo? Okay? Ano ba yung makakabuti para sa'yo? Sa paghingi ng tawad, they feel sorry, my loves. Keep an open mind. Your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectations. So, kung hoping ka pa rin, my loves, tingnan mong mabuti. Makakabuti ba sa'yo yan? Keep an open mind and attract romantic love, enjoying your, parang dito pinapakita my loves na huwag muna. Kung hindi siya humingi ng tawag, huwag mo siyang hintayin humingi ng tawad. Kasi kung ano ang makakabuti sa'yo, yun ang i-prioritize mo, my loves. Connection. Okay, your connection is unbreakable. Maaari, my loves, na and remarkable. So, eto. So, yung connection, my loves, na about this engagement ring, yung connection, my loves, na nakatadhana para sa'yo, isabihin natin kung siya talaga. That's unbreakable. Okay, kung meron mga pumapasok or sabihin natin na mga nakakapag-distract or may mga unforbidden, ano man yan, my loves, yan ay unbreakable, hindi siya masisira. So, kung nasisira siya dahil sa ibang mga relationship, maaari hindi yan yung talagang connection na nakatadhana para sa'yo. Because of this, keep an open mind. Your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectation. So, notice everything remarkable about your relationships. And, tingnan mo kung iyon ay nakakabuti para sa'yo. Oh, lumitaw dito. Oh, snake na naman. Eto, my loves, kung halimbawa hihingi siya ng tawad, pwede din kasing hindi talaga. Double snake eh. I doubt na mayroon something pa rin dito sa person mo. Kaya much better or mas healthy kung hindi ka aasa sa kanya. Kasi double snake, my loves. And hindi siya, sabihin natin, parang unhealthy siya para pagkatiwalaan or asahan pa. So, yes, pero my loves dito, player, may pagka-strategic. Maaaring kung suyuin ka niya, that is because of the case, pwedeng ganun. Strategic, you are involved to someone strategic. And, pwedeng may kinalaman sa love yun, yung pagiging strategic niya. Not what it looks like. Pwede din na mayroon doon pagiging victimhood, na halimbawa siya ay struggling, pero that is because of the case. Pwedeng ganun, my loves. So, dito, you have to make a healthy choices kasi may snake pa rin eh. May snake pa rin. Pwede, my loves, na meron pa rin naghahabol sa kanya. Dalawa eh, my loves. Dalawang snake yung lumitaw. So, you have to make healthy choices. Kung, sabi nga, yung connection na to, kung kayo-kayo, pero wag mong madaliin. Hindi porket na sabihin natin, uuwi na siya, nandun yung settlement, or sabihin natin, lalapit na siya sa'yo, nandun yung settlement. Pwedeng hindi pa ito yung panahon, kasi nandun pa siya, hindi pa ito yung tunay na nakikita natin, my loves. Because you are involved to someone strategic. And maaaring lahat yon ay sabihin natin maapektuhan na yung iyong love, maapektuhan yung iyong affection sa kanya. Pwedeng iyon ay part ng kanyang strategy. So you have to make a healthy choices for you, for your loved ones, and being happier is the focus of this energy. Kailangan mag-focus doon, my love, sa pagiging masaya. Let's see, advice, teka lang, wait lang. Ano yung tanong ko kanina, kung hihingi ba siya ng sorry? Hihingi ba siya ng sorry? Yes, my loves. Wag niyo sabihin natin na baka hindi pa kasi totoo yung mga pinapakita niya, and hindi yun magsaserve as lesson. So, ipakita mo muna na ipinaprioritize mo ang iyong sarili. Yes, hihingi siya, my loves, then romantic proposals, pwede din offeran kanya, my loves. Pero wag mo kakalimutan yung pagiging strategic. Pwedeng andyan, dumating sa inyo yung romantic proposals, offers, invitations, double confirmation sa offer and proposal. Ayan o. Offer and proposal. Double confirmation. And feeling trap. Pwede, my loves, na ikaw yan, na magkaroon ng restriction and isolation. Maging powerless ulit. Pwedeng siya din. Pwede ito. Basta ito yung energy na sabihin natin, feeling trap or back into corner. Pwedeng makulong ka ulit, my loves, dito sa strategic or player na to. So, kailangan nga bigyan siya ng lesson, my loves. Balansehin mo ang mga bagay-bagay. Kung kailangan siya bigyan ng lesson, hayaan mo siya. Pero dito, okay, tingnan nga natin kung karapat dapat ba siyang balikan. Balikan naman natin. Maybe pa. Two paths, kumbaga dito indecision pa, nandun din dito sa indecision, moderation, and sabihin natin, kailangan i-prioritize mo muna yung calmness, yung peace. Balansehin muna. So, sa balikan, my loves, nandito yung pa yung maybe na energy, choice na naman, it's your choice. Pero ang kailangan mong hanapin dito is yung healthy choices.